This tutorial explains how to connect a cryptocurrency wallet to Weatherbot and configure automated weather trading on Polymarket. Weatherbot is a tool that scans weather-related prediction markets and executes trades based on data from various weather stations. What the process does: Weatherbot connects to your wallet via a private key, allowing it to place trades on Polymarket automatically. The bot scans weather markets, collects real-time data, and executes trades that have a higher probability of being profitable based on its configured parameters. Step 1. Launch Weatherbot and access configuration. Open your browser and navigate to Weatherbot. Click the Start Trading button to begin setting up automated weather trades. Click the config icon to access the configuration menu where wallet and trading settings are adjusted. Step 2. Obtain and enter your wallet private key. Open your wallet. In this example, MetaMask is used. Select your wallet account and choose Account Details. When prompted, use the Unlock to Reveal option to view your private keys. After confirming with your password, copy your Polygon network private key. Return to Weatherbot, locate the private key field, and paste the key. This allows Weatherbot to interact with your wallet on Step 3. Obtain and enter your proxy address. Navigate to Polymarket and view your account. Open your profile menu and copy your proxy address. Switch back to the Weatherbot tab. Paste the proxy address, which helps configure network routing for the bot. Step 4. Link wallet and set trading parameters. Click Connect Wallet to link your account. Ensure the proxy address has been entered correctly, as this is necessary for trades to be processed. Enter your preferred bankroll for trading to manage risk, adjusting the value to match your strategy. Specify the maximum amount per trade and save your settings to secure trading limits. Step 5. Start the bot and monitor trades. Go to the dashboard to proceed. Click Start Bot to launch automated trading actions on Polymarket. The bot will scan markets, collect real-time data from various weather stations, and transmit this information to its AI. After scanning is complete, the bot will automatically begin executing trades identified as having a higher probability of being profitable. Return to Polymarket to view or confirm the trades executed by the bot. Step 6. Deactivate the bot. To deactivate the bot, press the Stop Bot button to pause all automated trading and scanning. Limitation: this method requires providing a private key to a third-party bot, which carries significant security risks. Only use this setup with dedicated trading wallets that contain limited funds. Weatherbot is best suited for users who understand both cryptocurrency trading risks and weather prediction markets and who want to automate their trading strategy. Conclusion: configuring Weatherbot for automated weather trading on Polymarket involves launching the bot, entering your Polygon private key and proxy address, setting bankroll and per trade limits, and starting the bot. The bot scans weather data and executes trades automatically. Trades can be monitored on Polymarket and the bot can be stopped at any time. Security precautions are strongly recommended when sharing private keys with third-party tools.